absolutely delightful. I have the utmost pleasure to allege on the real mind bender topic. Vocational or technical training is more valuable for promoting the economy of a country than standard university education. Have you ever stopped to consider which form of education is more valuable for promoting the economy of a country? Is it standard university education or technical training? Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Abdullah. And I have got a little secret to share with you all. Standard university education is actually more valuable for promoting the economy of a country. So let me justify my point. A report by European Center for the Development of Vocational Training have found that standard university education helps in developing critical thinking, problem solving and communication skills that are very much necessary for a wide range of career in developing the economy of a country. Secondly, World Economic Forum for the Global Competitiveness Report 2022 found that standard university education is the important factor in determining the competitiveness and the ability to innovate of a country. Thirdly, the UNESCO 2030 framework for the action highlighted the needs to ensure that quality education should be for all the learners, and the UNSDG 4 also calls for equitable and quality education for all and to open access to it. The United States, the United Kingdom, the Germany, the Japan and the South Korean government have also heavily invested in this higher education and are producing graduates with more critical thinking skills, communication skills that are very much necessary for a wide range of career in industries as well. And the quote from Director General of UNESCO said that in the Economic Development Growth Conference quoted that university education plays a critical role in promoting economic development of a country. I have a question for you. Is common sense a rare sense? Are they guys a fool? No, they are not a fool. They understand that university education is more valuable for promoting the economy because it develops critical thinking, problem solving skills, communication skills that are very much necessary for professionalism, idealism, individual and economic growth as well. They know East and West, university education is the finest. The skills we develop in university halls are the one that fuels our economic goals. Critical thinking, problem solving and more will enable us to thrive, not just endure. The Quran emphasizes the seeking knowledge. The Quran emphasizes seeking knowledge and warns against ignorance and hiddenness. It encourages think deeply. In verse 35th of 28, 58 of 11, 2nd of 164, 3rd of 191 respectively. Our Holy Prophet ﷺ also said that education is obligatory for every Muslim. Ibn Majah. Our Holy Prophet ﷺ once said that the ink of a scholar is more sacred than the blood of martyr. Tirmidhi. Definitely, all these sources emphasizes the need to assess the quality education, and for the means of our duty as well, and for the means of developing economic growth of our country and for communities and society as well. Therefore, I question: do you need more evidences to prove my point? Do you? So, Robert Frost once said that there are two roads diverge in the wood, and I took the one that is standard traveled by. So I question, which road will you value more? Technical training or university education? Okay, that's your choice. So the skill, I have a question for my knowledgeable and intelligent opponents at last, but certainly not the least. That if you guys are supporting university or are opposing university education, so why are you guys here? Let me ask. So why are you guys here? It indicates that you are unable to support and disprove your own case. king. And even if you are here to persuade us, it's disgusting, Masam.
Why is he taking my name on his
Okay.
on this?
So let us encourage this education divine, for it is the key to prosperous land. For standard university education, we will build a bright future across all the lands. I appreciate your listening to me. Thank you.